Hey guys, how are you? My name is Joe Saintval with Competition BMW Smithtown, and today I'm going to show you guys how to pair your iPhone or even your Android to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on our iDrive 7 here. So what we want to do, here's our iDrive, we want to make sure we click communications here. You can either touch it with your finger or use the circle knob here to press down, and now it'll take us to this menu. We want to go to mobile devices. Once I click mobile devices, it takes me to this prompt. And what I want to do is go to the top right where it says new device, I click that. And now I go to phone calls and audio. Now on my cellular device, my iPhone for example, I'm going to swipe up, go to my phone, and now in Bluetooth, I should see the BMW code, BMW 5656906. I'm sorry. There's my phone. I click on my phone, and now I'm going to hit pair. And now what I want to do is hit allow here. And when I hit allow, it gives me a prompt on the screen. And what I want to do, if I continue with the BMW iDrive, that's the BMW iDrive system that I have here. But if I wanted to mirror my iPhone and use Apple CarPlay, I do want to click where it says use CarPlay. Now when I do click that, it sends a notification to my phone in a few moments where it says use CarPlay, and I just click. And now in a few minutes, my iPhone will now appear on the screen. And there you go. You can play your Apple Music there as well too. Right? Those 8 boxes that you see on the top left is now my iDrive. Now I see everything here. Right? You do have the voice command right here on the steering wheel. But if I just press and hold that steering wheel or that button, I've activated Siri. And now Siri can use it to all your normal commands that you now can use on your iPhone. So that's how you pair your phone with the Apple CarPlay. Any questions, please contact us at Competition BMW. We're gladly here to help you out, pair your new phone, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We're here to assist you.